Kilis jongki candidate kibala qualified namta ka personal interview namta ka post district storekeeper for West Garo Hill and South Garo Hill respectively under Meghalaya Medical Drug and Services Limited MMDSL to be held on 20 September arpo 3 September arjar apply from 10 AM onwards at the following address kanik address kan mau kita apply Hotel C&C, Burnie Hill, Dakop Grey, Danak Grey Road, Tura, Meghalaya. Please note registration is open only from 10 AM to 11 PM. Tekan mau kini gibala select tekan mau Porsche for kadway ban registration. Kedang yung candidate qualified candidate kilong Mosomi Rabha West Garo Hill and South Garo Hill. Ma'mudul Kabir West Garo Hill, Hashanur Islam West Garo Hill and South Garo Hill, Shan Borlang Singli South Garo Hill, Rab Borlang Khongshley West Garo Hill and South Garo Hill, Irisha Shira West Garo Hill and South Garo Hill, Trubo Nursery West Garo Hill, Reswa Dimarak South Garo Hill, Dipong Kar Muzumdar West Garo Hill, Laknaswar Hajong South Garo Hill, Asmol Alam West and South Garo Hill, Lamda Shisha Muksor West Garo Hill, Bijime E Sangma West Garo Hill, Demis Darfur Paryong South Garo Hill, Bidan Regran J Sangma West Garo Hill, Ebenezer Lalu West Garo Hill, Saddam Hussein West Garo Hill. The kanyang word ki candidate balong qualified nakamta kani kapus district storekeeper kepada West Garo Hill and South Garo Hill. The second mau arpo tarik kadai namta kani ka personal interview shpo bje sejarong. The tangi ni jumtip publishun.